People say every artist was once a hoarder, and I would like to call this my loose sheets collection, or basically the loose sheets that I have hoarded since 2019. So let's have a look at all of them one by one. So this video is a continuation of part 1 of my loose sheets collection, and if you haven't watched the part 1 yet, the link is in the I button and the description box, so please check that out too.
Hi, I'm Neha from Art and Stuff, a calligraphy and mandala artist. I am a content creator, an art educator and a small business owner. I make videos on art, calligraphy, mandala, digital art, DIYs and much more. So if you're an artist or want to become one, consider subscribing to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video.
Now, black sheets is something that we are not able to find always. So I do have a lot of different black sheets as well, according to their GSM and the texture as well. So this one is an A3 size, and I bought them from a local stationery shop, and the paper GSM is something around I would say 150 GSM, and it is pretty thick, and all the different metallic paints and jelly rolls work really good on them, and even the paint markers as well. And talking about black sheets, I also have this 200 GSM black sheets from Anupam, and these are also really smooth. These are the smoothest black sheets that I have owned, and since the paper GSM is 200, so this works really fine for all of the different jelly rolls and markers as well. And I also have these two different kinds of sheets that I bought from the same local stationery shop. So this one has a little velvety texture, and this feels like a little cardboard, and not all of the jelly rolls and markers work on this one. So I'm really a little dissatisfied with this one. So this is just an old pack of black sheets, but this one right here is the same A4 size sheets of this A3 size. So the brand is same and the GSM is same. The only difference is this is A4 and this is A3. So all of these I bought from local stationery shop except for these Anupam. So I bought these from their website. So the local stationery black sheets work really fine for me. So next up I have these craft loose sheets from Scholar Store. So Scholar Store is another brand that has a really good collection of journals and sheets. So I have their toned sheets. By toned I mean I have these craft sheets. So these are brown colored sheets, and the paper GSM here is 170. So I bought A3 size, and apart from that I also have grey toned paper from same Scholar Store, but I have the A4 size. So the paper GSM is again 170. So these are of really good quality. The paper is really smooth, the texture is really smooth. But next up I have these scraping papers. So this is back from 2019 when I won a giveaway, and this came in free for me. So scraping paper is basically a black sheet of paper, and you get a stick with it. So you just scrape it and draw it. So to be honest, this is one of the most amazing kind of sheet that I own, and I have also made a video on rainbow mandala using scraping paper. So if you want to know how to use these sheets for mandala or for calligraphy, you can have a look at that video as well. So next up is my colored sheets collection. So I'm used to storing all my loose sheets in different folders, categorize them into different types, or according to the paper GSM or according to the color. So I have this folder for of colored sheets. So I have a lot of different kinds of colored sheets. As you can see, I have these red and teal and yellow and multicolor. So all of these I bought either from local stationery shops or from Instagram small businesses. So some of these are like kite papers. They are of something like 70 to 80 GSM, to cardstock paper something around 200 GSM. So for example, this, if I show you my teal color, so this is my absolute favorite, and I bought these from Craftly's, and I'll mention the link in the description as well. So this is a teal colored cardstock, and I could never have this from a local stationery shop. I'm totally obsessed. I bought them in 2019, but I still haven't used it. And cardstock is basically something like which is really thick. So if you can see that this is really thick, and this is something around 180 GSM. So this is a really good and smooth paper which I am yet to use. So if you want to see a mandala or something like this on this teal colored paper, please let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely upload a YouTube video especially on this teal colored paper. So just as I have a different folder for all my colored sheets, colored cardstock, I also have a different folder for my pattern sheets. So I'll just open it up and let's see what we have got in here. So most of these sheets are either from local stationery shops or from Craftly's again, and most of these I bought back in 2018 and 2019, and I am still yet to use many of them. And these are little floral sheets that I bought from Craftly's, and these one are ruled floral sheets. So I have planned to use these for letters or pointed pen calligraphy. However, the paper GSM is not too much, and I doubt that these would lead, but these are really amazing pens. And I believe that normal pentel brush pens or fine liners would work really fine on them. And then I have some sticker sheets that I really don't remember from where I got this, but I think that these were as freebies in different orders. So I have these sticker sheets, I have these tags, these minion stickers which I'm yet to use. And again I have this again a collection of sheets for letter writing which I am again yet to use. And then I have a really amazing and pretty collection of pattern sheets. So these are some floral sheets inspired by the nature. Then these are some again some designer sheets, and a lot of more sheets. So these one are glossy, however the other ones are matte in texture. So I keep on using them for my greeting cards or for packaging or something like that. And then I have these alphabet stickers which I bought from local stationery shop, and again a few more pattern sheets. All of these I bought from local stationery shops, and these are glossy. So if you wish to write something on them, it won't be possible because these are glossy. Only if you use a permanent marker or something like that. But anyways, if you want to write something on it, it won't be visible because the pattern is the pattern is the main thing of these sheets. So these this was my pattern sheet collection.